it's been a long time since hindi niyo narinig yung boses ko. So, magluluto tayo ng fried cauli chicken, 100% vegan. So, una is papakuluan natin yung chopped cauliflower. Ayan. So, doesn't matter kung maliit or malaki yung size as long as cauliflower siya at naboboil siya. Okay na yan. It's the same cauliflower pa rin yan. Yan. So, first is add nyo din ng salt before boiling. And then, mga 2 pinch of salt. Tapos, cover it up. And then, yung apoy is medium. Tapos, boil it for about 7 to 10 minutes. Okay. So, kapag nag-change na yung kulay niya, or parang it seems cooked, charot. Luto na yan. Alam niyo naman kung ano yung itsura ng gulay kapag luto na siya, diba? Yan. So, while boiling, prepare natin yung breading mix. So, this is a very easy recipe. Easiest and simplest recipe na. So, I prefer to use garlic breading mix since mas gusto ko siya. And then, kapag yung cauliflower naman, boiled na siya, lagyan nyo na ng cold water or pwede rin room temperature na water. Tapos, after that, i-coat nyo na with the breading mix. Ayan. So, please read this quote, guys. And so just follow justcomics_official on Instagram for more vegan comics. And you might also try this vegan, simple, and easy fried cauli chicken. Walang namatay na chicken dito. So this is way better. And so use a lot of oil. Kung hindi nyo carry na mag-deep fry, siguro maraming oil na lang. Siguro mga 1/2 inch. And then, fry on medium heat also. Kung gusto nyo din naman ng deep fry, or kung may deep fryer kayo, then much better. Yan. So, for this one, kasi hindi ko siya deep fried. So, turn it to the side once brown na yung first side niya. And then, kapag brown na din yung side na yan, turn it again. Hanggang sa golden brown na yung all sides niya. Ayan. So, it's very easy and simple, right? So, pair it with ketchup and soy sauce. And feel free to subscribe to my channel, guys. And thank you for watching. Bye!